Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to get Telegram ID, and now let's dive right in. Now to get a Telegram ID on your phone, first open up your Telegram app. And after opening your Telegram app, guys, on this interface, in order to proceed to get your ID, at the top left corner of the screen, there's a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon. And on this interface, you can see the settings option available for us just below the saved messages. Tap on settings. And on this interface again, when you land over here, in order to get your Telegram ID, you can see, guys, there is the username option available for us just below our phone number. Tap on that username and this will be your Telegram ID. Now guys, you have got the Telegram ID. Now in order to copy it, just go back, tap and hold on the username section over here, and here it says the username copy to Telegram or clipboard. And let's go back. The moment you send that ID on your Telegram account like this, guys, you can see, let's paste it over here and send it, and you can see, guys, the Telegram ID has been sent. The moment you tap on that Telegram link like this, you can see, guys, they will be available, or they will be able to see your ID like this over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how to get your Telegram ID. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.